Hi all. Today is the seventh day of the 21 days challenge uh, on getting control of the mind. One thing, the mind is, your mind will never be at rest. It will always be thinking of something. Like I mentioned the other day, the amount of brain cells and the connection, which is in the order of quintillion, is so much that that brain has to be doing something, thinking about something. So, but your duty is to focus that brain on what you want it to think. If you don't, it's gonna be firing. That's the work of the brain. And one of the things you can hold the brain, focus the brain on, is to have a burning desire, something you want, and you want it badly, something good, something that will benefit you and other people. You write those desire down, how you want it, what you do to get it, and when you get it. Write it exactly, and every day you focus on that, uh, feed that into the brain through what is called autosuggestion, and then develop plan. So every day you'll be working on plans how to get those things in realize. So that will take care of your mind. That will control your mind. That will take your mind away from wandering left and right. So that's you can't fight the mind, but you can control. You can focus it on something, and a burning desire is a very good plan, a good way of focusing your mind, focusing, controlling, taking control of your mind. And like Napoleon Hill said, he said, whatever the mind can conceive, the mind can attend. So whatever you focus, you think, it will you will attain. Even if you focus on putting rocket, it's a matter of time. As long as you just don't wish and you don't think about it, you don't, it could be a wish, but not a burning desire. If it's a burning desire, your brain will be working on it and will be directing you on activity that will produce the result. Thank you very much and take care. Bye.